guys, today we're going to be showing you an ant theory today. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's an ant time lapse of them eating food. So let's go and show it. Guys, ants are literally getting it. Oh my gosh, they're gross. They look gross like little cockroaches. Yeah, gross. They're like bringing it to their homes. It's like they're big, but in real life they're small, really small, right? Yeah, I'm getting so scared. Let's make the size smaller. There you go. That's much better. This, but good thing it's blurry. Guys, they were just moving it earlier. Look at those. They're just moving like literally yuck. I think they're. Look, it's boulders moving. Let's even make a big time lapse. They're gonna fall. That rice pack is gonna fall. They're like fanatically trying to hold it. Yeah, there's just one. They're trying to all help. Let's make it near so our friends can see. Oh, they're strong. The ants are doing teamwork. Yeah. It's like they're not minding us. Ew. Gross, but they're really strong. Yeah, it's all like the ants are helping. Can we, yuck. Yuck. This is how nature is. Lots and lots of yuck animals. Animals could be gross also, did you know? Now they're gonna bring it all the way there up to their base. And then if their base is not really necessarily there. Until then. Zoom in even bigger. Yuck. Yuck. Can we upload this? Yeah, of course. Our art friends would love it. Guys, please like and subscribe. This is a theory. To this video. This is a theory. Guys, please forgive us even if this is not drawing. Yeah. We can make it just do it kids brothers, not family. We're not a family. Actually, they're just bringing it through. Goodness. There's just more ants coming and coming. I think they're super hungry now. Yeah, so they're all wanting to help. And now let's change the view. Guys. I'm getting shivers. I'm scared of big ants. Oh my gosh, that thing's gonna fall. The ants won't have anything to eat anymore. Oh gosh. Let's zoom in. Wait, just bring it close. There, just leave it there. There. All the ants are battling for that rice. That speck of rice. Yeah. We don't know what the result will be, but this is just a short theory. Let's time lapse. Yeah. We hope you guys like and subscribe to the Just Do Kids channel. If you want to watch more of our videos, just click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notifications if you want to never miss a video. Hope you guys enjoyed this ant nature theory. Bye. Bye.